UMLA ka Nongpoh constituency uba Mayral bonds menta ka sengi ka pra tarik uluber hajar arpoar haka dorbar mangtengka jong ka sengi ka balai ulawan ra ka Jingkylli Haba Iadei ban Shna Pynbha Iaka Surok Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur kabadon ka Jingjalan kumba sanpo khandai kilometer haba keli ulo ongru balada la ban Shna Pynbha Iaka ne ka Surong kanwan ra ka Jingmentoi ka bakrau ya kishispa sanpo tili kisnong kibasha kini kithain. Haba juba bhalor kane ka Jingkylli menteri badai pej ka tenat PWD haka jella ubadai ru sembut menteri rangba uba preston tensong uloong na ka benta ban Shna Pynbha kane ka Surong na ka liang ka tenan kaladat ban pha ka draft DPR shaka World Bank haka sautare gubnai leber hajar arpoar bad haduk menta dangyai ap ka approval hadin balayo ka approval on sasdang no ban pentre Shna Pynbha kane ka Surong.
Now we move to start question number 18. Deputy Chief Minister, please.
Mr. Speaker, Sir, preparation of DPR is in the final stage.
Honorable Speaker, Sir, Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur Road is one of the major district road in Pynbha district, which around 150 villages will be benefited if this road is in good condition. As of now, this road is in a dilapidated condition and the total length is 59 km, which also serves as a border road between Meghalaya and Assam. I am happy to see in the reply that the preparation of DPR is a final stage. My question to Honorable Deputy CM is that when shall we expect that the DPR will be completed?
Sir, the draft DPR, in fact, we have already submitted to the World Bank on the 4th March 2022, and approval and comments is being awaited. Because when we submitted the draft DPR, sometimes there are changes. That's what I said right now. Final stage of DPR is almost completed. So therefore, once the comments and the approval received from the World Bank station in Delhi, then the process of tendering will start.
Honorable Speaker, sir, am I made to understand that once the project is approved, which means it will be sanctioned? Is that? Yeah.
Sir, in fact, Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur, it is already in the priority list, which right now is only the formality of approval of the DPR. If there is no changes and if they approve in totality, then as I've already replied, then the process will start.
May I know from the Honorable Minister the amount it prepared in the DPR and the length of the road proposed?
Sir, if there is no change, in fact, the draft DPR is 83.98 crores and the length is 25 kilometers.